Hi, this is Dr. Ray Milazzo from the Chiropractic Wellness Center with offices in Wyckoff and Oradell, New Jersey. And I'm here to talk to you about a very important part of your body. If I were to ask you where your atlas was, how many of you would know where that is? Well, here is a bone. It's called the atlas because it holds up your head just like Atlas held up the world in Greek mythology. And the atlas is a very important bone, and it's very special for many reasons. And it's the only bone in your spine that doesn't have a disc between it. And so it's a freely movable vertebra. Now I want to tell you the story that you know very well, the story of Christopher Reeves, who in 1994 was riding on his horse. His hands got caught up. He went over his horse and landed head first. And he fractured this vertebra. Most people do not live after they fracture, even the second, third, or fourth vertebra. But it's really rare if you fracture the first vertebra and sever the nerves at that level. That pretty much destines that you will not have any function of any of the parts of the body below that area. Remember, it is your brain and nervous system that control and coordinate all the parts of your body. If you look up in Gray's Anatomy, and I'm not talking about the TV show, I'm talking about the anatomy textbook that all doctors use, it says that it is the purpose of your brain and nervous system to control and coordinate all the functions and systems and organs of your body. That means your respiratory system, cardiovascular system, your elimination system, your immune system is all controlled by your nervous system. So that nervous system has to pass through this little ring bone here, and before I can get to all the other parts of your body. What we see in chiropractic is, unfortunately, with Christopher Reeves, when you damage the nervous system in the brain and the spinal cord, that's permanent damage. That is the prime system of your body. It doesn't heal. All the other parts of your body will heal, except for your brain and your spinal cord. So if you have a subluxation in your neck, it's usually putting pressure on the spinal nerves, causing, in many people, headaches, sinus problems. Sometimes it affects your moods. It can make you depressed. So adjustments of this area of your body is the most important part of your body to get adjusted. Many times people come in with low back pain and other ailments, sciatica, and we find out that the primary problem that they have is an atlas subluxation. And of course we fix their low back pain and sciatica too. But we will always make sure in our office at the Chiropractic Wellness Center that before you leave, you have a clear functioning of your atlas and all the nerves going through there. And that's the prime focus of our office, to make sure all the nerves are getting to where they should be. And that's what chiropractic is all about. So, unfortunately for Christopher Reeves, you can't live very long if you cut off those nerves to your neck. He did live for about 12 years, and that's amazing. But fortunately for us, we can move those bones back into place, and whether you're 6 months old or 60 years old, we can get your body functioning again. So this is Dr. Ray Milazzo with you some very important information that you should know about your nervous system and your atlas bone. And we look forward to seeing you next week with some more information, and we'll see you then.